Hello guys, in this video I will explain you how we can sell products in Amazon without having your own products. That means you are getting the order through Amazon and someone else is delivering for you. For this, there are many sites which are offering dropshipping services. You have to get the order and the details to be sent to the supplier, and he will directly send the product to the address which you give. Sounds good, no? Because you need not have to have an inventory, you need not have to have a warehouse, you need not have to invest on products, you need not have to have any products with you. Only thing is that you are getting the details from them and you are posting in your Amazon seller account, and someone clicks it and the rest is executed. This is a easy way for sell in Amazon if you have a seller account. I am detailing the same with one website which I found good for this. The website name is shopper.in, shopperr.in. They are basically selling products imported from China. As you can see, there are a lot of items listed here under various categories. Here I have clicked beauty, and if you can see, there are a lot of products. Okay, and the good thing with this site is that it is integrated with Amazon and Shopify. Normally you get so many sites, but getting the Excel sheet for uploading sheet for Amazon is a bit difficult, but this site readily provides you that facility. I will show you how you have to. You can see there are different categories on the top. You just select anything you wish. Like any other site, you need to join this site and become a member. And once you become a member, initially you have to go to settings, and here there is an option for setting your maximum price and your profit margin, etc., for your Amazon selling or Shopify. And if you want to go set it for Amazon, you can select here, or if it is for Shopify, then you have to go to the other tab. Okay, and once you are set with the price, there are some other options also. That is, when there is a price change, they will send you a notification that the facility is there. Also, there is an inventory synchronization. That means the total number of products available, that is the quantity, will be updated automatically. And once you have done this with the Shopify, they will integrate with you with your Amazon seller page, and everything will be done automatically. And you can put your brand name there. It will be automatically amended in the Excel sheet, which is very good. You need not have to manually do anything. You have to do the API integration with Amazon for this thing to work. Once it is integrated, when you go to any tab like this, you can the order tab, you can see the order number, the delivery time, and everything will be available in this website itself. So once you get an order from Amazon, you the site will automatically grab the order, and they will make the execute. For this, when you get an order, you suppose the product is priced 2000 in their shopper site. You need to pay that amount to shopper. Then only they will do the shipping. And the payment increment is 2000. It means minimum you have to put 2000 in your account, and once the money is there in the account, they will automatically deliver the products. In that way, it is very good. But you do not have to look for anything. Just you get the order, and you see after half an hour the product is already put for uh, execution. I'll show you how you can do manually this inventory. Just go to the shopper site and select the marketplace. In that you can see many products. You see a heart shaped emblem in the bottom. You just click on it. These are the products which you want to just put for sale. You just click all the heart shape. Then go to the top where you can see there is subscribe, and you just click on it, so all the items will come under one page. Here you can select where you want to deliver, means which platform you want to sell. Either you can select Amazon or Shopify or anywhere. You can see, just click on it, and just from the drop down you can see Amazon template, and you just make this yes no, select whatever it's your favorite, then just click on the export, and it will give you an Excel page. It will start downloading an Excel page. You see on the left corner there is an Excel page getting downloaded. Just double click on it, and you can see the Excel physically. You can verify it. It will be set with your seller name. That means, suppose in my case I have chosen Depini as my name, seller name. So it will, when you open this Excel page, you can see that it is already there. You need not have to do any manual adjustments here. Okay, once you get this Excel sheet, you can simply, if you know how to upload the products in Amazon, only thing you need to get is a UPC. You need a UPC for each and every product you upload in Amazon seller site. For that, you need to have, you just key in the UPC codes for each product if you have. If you don't know how to get and where to get an UPC, I will make another video to tell you how to get and where to get this UPC and the cost, etc. I have a set of UPC codes, so I just already put the UPC, and it is ready for uploading. You can upload. If you want the same thing for Shopify, there is an option for getting the template for Shopify, and you can use it. I am not using the Shopify platform, so I don't know much about it. But one thing I want to tell is that most of these dropshipping companies don't have an template for Amazon, because they normally give only for Shopify. But these guys give you even for Amazon. That is the best thing. This is the Shopify template. I just show you, but I am not personally using it. And one more thing, other than getting it directly from the site, they, once you register with this shopper, they will send you a set of Excel sheets which is already tailor made, and you only need to put your manufacturing name, whatever name you choose, UPC, and you can directly upload it. This is such a type of Excel sheet I got, up having more than 3000 products in it. You can just upload it directly, adding your UPC and your product name. In these ways, I found that this website is really good, and they are having an automated system. Once you pay for your order, that means once you put some money in your wallet, they will automatically execute everything. And the only thing you need to be careful is that these products are coming from China, and it will take 2 weeks, for minimum 2 weeks for delivery. So you have to adjust your delivery date based on it. Hope you all have an idea, got an idea about this site.